Hello guys, welcome to Edu TV Nigeria show. Today we are out here to ask students what is their feelings when ASU suspended the strike and how prepared are they for lectures. Stay tuned. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
Anifat.
Anifat, can you tell me how you feel when the strike was suspended and how prepared are you for lectures?
I was not happy at first.
Wow. Why?
Because I was not prepared.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay, so how prepared are you?
Since the very call of the strike,
Okay.
I'm trying to just prepare myself.
Wow. Okay. Thank you very much, Anifa. Hello.
Hello, Alpha.
What is your name?
My name is Onijogun Victor, aka Jogsy Jr.
What is your feelings
About
once the strike was suspended? And how prepared are you for lectures on campus?
I was not that feeling okay. It was just there. The feeling was just there because I thought we were going to resume next year.
Why?
Because I thought because the way the government is just doing, they don't have our time.
Seriously?
They are not serious. They just have our time. So I thought it was next year. So, but when the case got to court and everything, so me I thought that okay, after the settlement of everything in the court, that we have to resume this maybe this year, So that was it.
So how prepared are you? Are you not prepared?
Just 50%.
50%?
50%.
Seriously?
But since the strike has been called off and they said okay, we should resume school, no problem.
Okay.
It's not preparation. Is not that hard. That's just the stuff.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
Florence.
Florence, what is your feelings when you heard the strike has been called off and how prepared are you for the resumption?
I wasn't prepared because I thought resumption would be after election with everything we've been hearing, and then federal government is not preparing to answer what ASU is demanding for. So when they called the strike off, I was like and then when OAE did their meeting, they were like the following day we had to resume, so I was surprised. All I had to do was just pack my notes and come back to school.
That means you're prepared too.
Like I was prepared for classes.
Wow. Alright, thank you very much, Florence. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
What is your name?
Odunayo.
Odunayo, as ASU suspended their strike, what is your feelings and how prepared are you for lectures?
Financially, I'm not prepared. I actually want to be a baller. But for real, for emotionally, I should not lie. I was kind of down. Like, where do I start from? How do I do everything?
Wow.
More it was when they told us, but do we have choice? Is what we have been praying for.
Seriously. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Okay.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Michael.
Michael.
Yeah.
Okay. Since the ASU called off the strike, what is your feelings and how prepared are you for lectures?
Actually, about my feeling, I can just say it's undefined. You know?
Wow.
There's this side of me like kind of happy, and there's this side of me that's it's so sudden, something that was coming so sudden. Yeah, really.
Wow.
So, well. Anyway, that's how life is. We just have to play along with it.
Okay.
So concerning preparation, well, like I said earlier, it's so sudden and we just have to adapt with it.
Okay.
So I think that's how it is to me personally as a person. But I probably think that's how it should be to many of my colleagues. Like, many friends I've had from. They weren't expecting it. Everyone has even shifted their mind to next year, like probably it's next year we're going to be resuming.
Wow.
So, but then we have it now, and this is my final year. It's a thing of that I'll be more like quickly done than I thought. So that was it.
All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Oh,
hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
My name is Joy.
How prepared are you for lectures and what is your feeling as this strike is suspended?
Well, I would say when actually the strike was suspended, I had mixed feelings because I wasn't actually prepared.
Wow.
But then I just came as a shock. But what do I do?
Seriously?
But now since the lecture is about to start, I'm going to be prepared since that's what I'm expected to do, sure.
Alright guys, that is all on Edu TV Nigeria show. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye.